Welcome to Redsquadron4 Box Break number 13 for single box of limited. The time is 10:39 on October 5th. Thanks everybody for participating. This is the box we have right here. The Brad Marchand Game Worn Gear Titanium. This card's actually going to Mike Cam, who won the most teams with 6 today. Mike Cam, congratulations. This is going to go to you. And the legendary contenders with Glenn Hall and that sweet mask. This is going to go to somebody who doesn't catch a hit tonight. Thanks again, and good luck, everybody. Here's the serial number. I know it's really, really tough to see it near the end. By tough, I guess I mean impossible. It is still sealed, as you can see. Alright, that's empty. The first card for the Detroit Red Wings, Johan Franzen. Kind of a cup card, numbered. Let's see if we can see that. A 174 out of 199. Second card for the Philadelphia Flyers, Team Trademarks, Claude Giroux, numbered 294 out of 299. 294 out of 299 Flyers, Claude Giroux. A redemption, which we'll save for a moment. Well, alright, this is good. Numbered 66 out of 99, also for the Philadelphia Flyers, a banner season, Claude Giroux. 66 out of 99. Alright, well, for the Detroit Red Wings, we have our first autograph. Beautiful Nick Lidstrom, Team Trademarks, on-card autographed, numbered 97 out of 99. 97 out of 99. Next card for the Detroit Red Wings, Adam Grace. Base card 132 out of 299. We have for the Toronto Maple Leafs a Phil Kessel base card, numbered 27 out of 299. Sorry guys, it's in there. 27 out of 299. And for the San Jose Sharks, Ryan Clough, which I did not know that Ryan Clough's name was spelled R-Y-A-N-E. Not sure if that is correct. This is number 142 out of 299. And the redemption. The redemption is Back to the Future Signatures, number 10. Back to the Future Signatures, number 10. Back to the Future Signatures, number 10. Nice. According to this, and I will double check this on the Panini website, according to this, Back to the Future's Signatures, card number 10 is a Johnny Bucyk Zdeno Chara. So Back to the Future's number 10 is a dual Johnny Bucyk Zdeno Chara, of course, for the Boston Bruins. So, I'm going to do the random now for that little Glenn Hall card, and do a little brief recap at the same time. So, Philadelphia Flyers and the Detroit Red Wings got a ton of hits each, so they're out of the running. Toronto Maple Leafs Boston Bruins. San Jose Sharks. Alright. I think that's it. Philadelphia's gone. Detroit, I've taken out. Toronto, Boston, and San Jose. So, here we go. 3 randomizations. The team at the top will get that extra card. 1, 2, and the Winnipeg Jets. Winnipeg Jets. Congratulations, everybody. There's going to be another box break. Number 14 is posted, ready to go. It'll be coming due around 10 o'clock on Saturday evening. The video probably will not get done until Sunday morning, unfortunately. But come on in, have a look. And again, thanks everybody for your support.